What's the meaning of celibate? Celibate. Celibate.
Celibate. Celibate. The word celibate refers to the state of voluntarily abstaining from sexual activity. This can be due to religious, moral, personal, or cultural reasons. The practice of celibacy has been observed in various religions around the world, such as Catholicism, Buddhism, and Hinduism. It is often viewed as a form of self-discipline or a means of achieving spiritual enlightenment. Celibacy can also have practical benefits, such as avoiding unwanted pregnancies, sexually transmitted diseases, and emotional attachment. Ultimately, the decision to remain celibate is a personal one that should be respected.